So hello everyone, in this tutorial I will teach you how to implement Azure functions. So what else we will going to do is we will create a function app and we will create a HTTP triggered function, and after that we will test it. So to start, first you have to log into your Azure portal using the portal.azure.com. Then you have to put your login details and password. Then in the search bar we will search for function app. function app so this is the function app. We will go to there and we will go to the create. There is the resource group. So though we have our resource group, we will choose it, and if you don't have any resource group already created, you can create one. We have to give a name to our function app. It's like my function x1. Okay, so it's accepted. Publish should be a code .NET version 3.1 and Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia. Then we will go to the review. Validation is in progress, so I hope validation done. I'm going to click on create. It will take some minutes to implement. So now deployment is in progress. It may take a couple of minutes to create a function. Almost its way. We have to wait some minutes. Yeah, so our function app is created. So what we will do, we will go to the resources. So this is our function app. I'm showing you from the home. So this is my function. So now we will create an HTTP trigger. So right now we are in our function app. We will, here is the functions. We have to click here. So in here we will add our trigger. Okay, we click on add. in portal it should be. So we will choose this HTTP trigger, then we will click on add. So our trigger is created. Now to test that, we have to click on code and test. So you can see this code actually designed to run an HTTP request and log information. Also, the function returns hello message with a name. Okay, hello message with a name. So right now we are going to test it. Just you can see it will run HTTP code request here, HTTP code request, and in return it will return with a name. Okay, so right now we can get this function URL from here. We can copy it and we are going to open another tab and paste it. Now you can see at the end of this code there is equal, double equal. So here what we will do, we will and name equal like my name. So right now I'm giving the enter button. So our function is working. Hello Tanvi, this is HTTP triggered function executed successfully. So in this way you can create your function app and also an HTTP trigger, and you can test it as well. Now we are going to return to our HTTP trigger, and in the monitor section I'm showing you, yeah. So no error counted, success count 1. So we tried one time and it's success in the first time as well. So thank you for watching this. Hopefully you will, from now on you can create your own function app and you can test it by yourself following these steps. Thank you.